Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and I thought I'd take a second to talk to you about what I have on the table, which happens to be for Ford Mustangs, particularly 64 through 73. We have two kits that are available for the Shackles, a 105 and a 106 kit, and this is for your leaf spring application. Now, the reason why we build this shackle is because it's slightly longer. These are 3 5/8 inches long, and this is going to be 4 5/8 inches long. And the reason why we do this is because if you've got a system on the back, leaf spring package with our bushings, and let's say that the ride height in the rear needs to go up a little bit. Well, normally you'd have to take the leaf off, re-arch it, and then put it back on the vehicle. Well, with this longer shackle that we offer, it allows you to get that extra ½ inch as a simple bolt-on. And that's why we produced it, is so that it makes it easy to get that little bit necessary for the tire clearance that you're going to need. So, for Fords, 118 SH, slightly longer shackle, plugs right into our 105, 106 kits, mostly used on 64 through 73 Mustangs. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.